Alright boys, the crack dealer just got our parts. We got the Milwaukee. I should have started the video for this earlier. So this is literally going to be the start of the video. What's up guys, Devin Adventure Hobby Passion.
This kid's been acting like a kid in a candy shop like lately.
Dude,
it's
I've
so
been
funny.
waiting for this all day. It wasn't supposed to show up till next week, so I was like,
I know.
I'm gonna put it down and be careful with it. It sticks to it. That looks good.
Is it just one or no? There's both in there. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not just gonna peel it off. I don't care. I'm just hoping that this fixes my hyper flash.
Yeah.
Maybe that's the reverse light. I bet you that's reverse light.
Probably.
We don't need that where we're going. Follow me upstairs. Not upstairs, up to the top of the driveway, and I'll show you why we don't need those no more.
Ugh.
I mean, I guess we can need those for parking lots and stuff, but going up the driveway, abso-freaking-lutely not. Hey, it's probably already somewhat see it. I'm just gonna get in there and turn it on. It's daytime, but we make it even more daytime.
Nighttime?
Bam!
Daytime! Nighttime?
We finally got those wired in, so I guess this whole video is just going to be wiring reverse lights. I didn't film literally any of it, but I will get underneath there and show you how I did it. Now I guess we'll install the tail lights. You think we can do it? Alright, we'll do a little bit of an install video. So this is the like a resistor or whatever. It holds the extra energy from the turn signal so it doesn't hyperflash. Hopefully this actually fixed the hyperflash for not having any turn signals on the front end. That's literally why I bought these so quick. So I'm gonna go ahead, I already got it cleaned up. We're gonna go ahead and get that all mounted away the frick up there. We're gonna plug it all in, bolt it in, and we're gonna test the difference between this one and this one. So yeah, let's get this done. Alright, so I had to change the location to that side because it didn't fit right there. No big deal. So we cleaned it there, put it right there. Now we're going to plug that plug in and that other plug. So as you can see, I have a trailer wire plug. Plug it into this one and that one. Bolted in, and it's going to look pretty. Alright, there you go. We got a nice clear C there. Just a boring old normal. Now let's put on a turn signal. So you gotta come up, have the alarm on. Turn signals don't work unless you have the key on or something. Let me put the key in. Alright, there you go. Let's see if the regular turn signal works on it without a hyper flash. So go in here, turn that off. No, it still hyper flashes when it's a turn signal. And just like that, that side's all mounted up, removed. Now we just install this, and we're done. Yep, that looks good. That looks real good. We'll have to get some night footage, and also, I'll probably show you tomorrow, because it's starting to get dark, of the reverse lights. Show you how I wired it. So sounds like I will continue this video to tomorrow. We will show you the tail lights at night. We'll show you the reverse lights at night. And, maybe, I don't know for sure. We'll even fix the LED flasher. We'll probably get an LED flasher in there so it just senses. But I don't know if an LED flasher will 100% work because that, I only have the flashers in the rear. And I guess it should, because I'm still using energy because I have the turn signals in the headlights. They light up these bars yellow. So this is the only stock light left. we're gonna have to figure out what I want to do on that. I'm thinking I'm just doing a clear lens, but no amber, and then throw an LED bulb in it. But either way, we'll catch you tomorrow. All right, so the truck isn't right there. It's right here. You're gonna have to stay tuned for another video because me and my buddy decided to go out and have some fun. But let me get underneath here and show you how I wired those reverse lights. So if you have been following the channel for a while, you know that I wired my own e-locker in. So I had to run a wire back. I only used 6 wires, so I have an extra wire in it. So I ran that as the hot one because it's already in the cab, and wired that all in the cab in a previous video. So I used this as the hot wire. So in the rear bumper installs when I wired that in. So I hooked it up, ran it along with this other main line, gave a positive to the light, and then I ran 2 grounds to this old ground right here that I was using for my trailer ground / a license plate bracket mount, which now is right there. And then there's the 2 other things I need to put it through the zip ties. This is all gonna get redone when I take my bed off to get the chassis all cleaned up, and it'll look much nicer than this. But you know, that's it for now. So we're gonna get up, and it still hyper flashes like you said. So we're gonna get up and go over to O'Reilly's and get me an LED flasher, and that should fix the problem. So let's pop over to O'Reilly's and you know, get some more truck parts. All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, we now have gotten our EP35 LED flasher. Should be easy fix to get these hyper flash to fix. So let's head over to Tanner's house and throw it in. We're gonna hang out with him today. It's actually filming 2 videos this weekend. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, well, this camera sucks in the dark. It's like really dark outside, and like me, I have my night vision, you know, it automatically adjusts. I can see the mountain right behind this house. Can't even see my truck. I'm gonna set you down and go turn on the taillights. Yeah, they look good. They look real good. Looks nice and new. So now let's turn on the frickin' backup lights. Bang! There we are. There she is. Oh yeah, she lights it up. I'm gonna put the tripod down, turn it off, turn it back on. Boom! I got enough light to do the outro right here. So yeah, lights installed this weekend. It's pretty fun time, and as you can tell, they work pretty dang good. That's my buddy's dad's truck. It's probably 150 feet away from it. That's plenty of light for me. Not too high, pretty widespread. Got the new tail lights, got LED. Oh, let me show you the flashers real quick. All right, well, I also fixed the flasher, put an LED flasher on it. It's 15 bucks at O'Reilly's. Super easy to install. Makes it so you can have LED flashers, because I have LEDs in the front for turn signals and the rear now. The rear has the little thing, the resistors to not, but you know. Well, again, like pretty normal, I forgot to close out this video. I said I was going to do it, and I totally forgot doing that whole thing. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video of going out and playing with my truck, getting some lights, reverse lights in the bumper done, tail lights, fixing hyper flash, and yeah. So go out, like, comment, share, subscribe. Biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.